What's happening, my people? So you boy back with a quick little wouldn't say this is a review. This an unboxing. This an old pair of kicks. It came out like 2 years ago. I wanted these for the longest time. I didn't get them when they came out. I bought these shoes about 4 times, literally, and never got them. Let me explain. I think I won these on auction, or I made a best offer for them on eBay, I think, and then the seller didn't sell them to me. They canceled the order after I made them the offer. They accepted the offer. I did the same on Mercari. I think I made somebody an offer. I bought them. Then after a few days, they didn't send them. Then they canceled the order. Then there had another pair that I bought. They were for cheap, so I just bought them. The seller wrote me and like, why you just bought the shoes? You didn't message me before and stuff. I'm like, they were for sale. That's why I bought them. So this time right here, I thought the same thing was gonna happen. I bought these shoes. It's about 4 days. The seller still hadn't shipped them. I wrote the seller. I'm like, are you gonna ship the shoes? What's up? I got some other things for sale. I'm waiting for those to sell for me to be able to ship them. I'm like, really? So I was about to cancel the order, and then he shipped them. So without further ado, man, I left this morning and I came back. I seen them they was outside, and they were in this box right here. And I'm like, hold up, I know this shoe right here because I have a couple pairs of this model, and I'm like, it has a pretty big box. I'm like, I didn't think the box would fit in there. I'm like, in the pictures it had the box with them. I'm like, I would assume, I would hope my boxes with the shoes. That's how I usually like to buy my shoes. I like to have the box. But I opened them and they did have the box. So I don't know, for some reason that box looked like a box couldn't fit in there, but it was. It kind of looked a little fishy, man. I'm gonna assume the best, but just I guess because it's a little beat up. But I was these are these things right here, and they're like in 8 out of 10 shape. Like, they're not the best. It's just a little something to wear around. Like, I had been wanting these, but I was like, I'm not super crazy about them, but I'm like, something to wear with different outfits or whatever, or just to casually run around. Like a gray and a blue. That's colors that I don't have too much of, so that's knocking out two color palettes at once that I don't have a lot of. I really don't have any gray shoes, so I'll be able to wear these with a lot of things that I normally don't have anything to wear with them. But these is nothing special. Like things wrong with the shoe. Like they have like a little scuff right there, and maybe like a little some of them toe. Is not bad. They're pretty good shoe. They not in bad shape. So I did roughly like put the little Jason mark on them, but they just for my own personal sanity or whatever. Just they still got the Jumpman in the shoe. You probably can't see it, but they still got the Jumpman in the shoe and stuff. So they not bad. But I'm trying to think of what I want to say about this. I got these for like $60-something. So not bad. Yeah, I just want to show y'all a little pickup for the day. Man, I tried to get these so many times, and now I finally got them. It's like, it was so hard to get them. It's not a hard shoe to get, but just my experience of trying to get the shoe in sales and stuff falling through so many times, it was pretty exhausting. But I forgot what I want to say, but oh well. Shit. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest or the most hated. Shit, I ain't really got nothing. Not really. What do I want coming up soon? Like, I want the Concord so bad, but now I don't know if I want them as bad. I don't know if I want the Concords or the win like 82s. I don't know. Shit, the Concord, that 220, 250? Yeah. Yeah. Shit. I don't know. We'll see Christmas time. But shit. Holla at your boy, man. Just a little something to show y'all. Find something for the cheapo. The cheapo if you look. Peace.